Hello out there. My name is Koda, and I'm a senior engineer for Dell EMC, supporting many of our enterprise platform systems. In this video, I'll be going over the steps to deploy an operating system using the Lifecycle Controller, or LCC. As you can see, we've powered on this system and it's entered the Lifecycle Controller. To begin, we'll select OS Deployment from our left menu and click Deploy OS. From here, I do want to go ahead and select Configure RAID first and click Next. This window is just mentioning to me that I won't be able to see any NVMe PCIe SSDs displayed as part of this RAID configuration wizard. I'll click OK. And I do want to install my OS to the BOSS controller, which is hosting a pair of M2 SSDs. I will leave that selected and click Next. And my only option available here is a RAID 1, so I'll be creating a mirror out of these two SSDs. So we'll select Next. And I'm going to go ahead and leave all of the available options here as default. And near the bottom, I'm going to click Select All to make sure that I have both SSDs here selected and click Next. I'm going to give this a simple name of OS, leave the remaining options as default as well, and go ahead and click Next. Here's a brief summary of the selections I've made on the previous screens, and we'll click Finish. This pop-up is simply letting me know that once I do complete this operation, it's going to delete any data that exists on the SSDs. I know these SSDs are blank, so I don't have to worry about that. I will click Next. Okay, I've successfully created the RAID. We'll click OK. And this should conclude the RAID configuration wizard. And it's brought us back to the OS deployment wizard. I'm going to leave my selections here as default as well. So I'm going to leave this as UEFI boot mode, leave secure boot disabled, secure boot policy as standard. I do want to select from the drop down here 2019, as I have mounted an ISO to my iDRAC virtual console that we're going to be booting from. So I will select Next. On the screen, we're composing the OS drivers. What's happening here is this process is compiling all of the drivers that are available as part of the Dell OS driver pack that gets installed to the Lifecycle Controller. Now, this process can take several minutes before it completes, so we will fast forward just a bit. Okay. From this screen, we have the option to either select an unattended or manual install. And I don't have the prepared infrastructure to complete an unattended install, so we'll leave this selected as manual install and click Next. Okay, here we want to select our media location. And as mentioned, I did mount an ISO to my virtual console. So I just want to click here and select my virtual media. And we'll click Next. And that's about it. After we finish up here and reboot the system, as described here, you will be prompted to press any key to boot to the operating system media and to start the installation. And that's all we have for this video. I hope this was helpful, and thank you for watching.